Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, I wanted to see if a single Ori ship could take down a Klingon Imperial Starbase. Now, I've tried this with Federation ships before, and it's never ended well, so let's try an Ori ship just for a laugh and see what happens.
Red alert, shields up.
Even firing. Oh wait, there we go. Oh yeah, so they're making the forward shield weaken. I imagine as we get closer it's going to be harder. Oh wait, they're not making the shield weaken. I was looking at the wrong screen. I was looking at the star bases. Oh dear. Okay, so this isn't really seems too much of a challenge here. I like the red glowing effect, that's quite cool. One thing I will say about these Ori ships is they're slow, but I suppose with all that power it doesn't really matter. We've collapsed their shield, look at that. I almost feel sorry for the Klingons.
75%. Captain?
Let's give them some friends. Let's see. 3 Negvars, that should do it. This might actually be a challenge now. This is going to cause a big explosion.
Target hull integrity at 20%. Their hull is severely
Got the starbase. Although, if I'm honest, it looks like the Negvars are causing more damage to the Ori ship here. We've got a little bit of hull damage now. Although it looks like the Negvars have taken some shield damage themselves from the starbase explosion. Oh, I wonder if that's how we got ours actually. We were closer. Oh! Got flashbacks to the Galaxy Class X there. Okay, where have you gone, number 3? Oh, there you are. Ooh, you don't want a cloak when an explosion happens nearby. I learnt that the hard way in the Defiant. Oh, you're holding on. That must be Martok. Nope. Hello to the Ori. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.